welcome to my advent calendar for Christmas. So as many of you know and have been checking in with me, I had surgery last Wednesday on my elbow that I broke. So this is the first time that I have been filming since the surgery. I did a lot of filming before I went in so that I would have videos coming up. But now I'm still kind of behind. We're going to do day 9 today. And then I'll actually need to do 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we might just do one video for the 4 days and then go from there. So I'm doing it okay. Of course, pain, as everybody should know, right? I'm ready for it to get healed. I'm ready to be done with it. So y'all can hear my voice too. I came down yesterday feeling feverish, and today I have a lot of congestion. I have a cough and I have a sore throat. So I don't know. I haven't gone anywhere since surgery. Just the hospital was where I was. So who knows? I could have caught something there. I mean, I don't know. My husband's been home with me the entire time. I haven't even seen my kids and grandkids. So they were all going to come over today, which I had to postpone because I don't want them to get whatever I got. So, but that's okay. So we have day 9. I want to get my glasses. Okay, so number 9. Let me see, it looks kind of like a bronzer. Yeah, it looks like a bronzer. So that's pretty. I have not used bronzer before. I've gotten it in several boxes like IPSY or BOXYCHARM, but honestly, I have no idea how to use it. I'm kind of scared because it looks dark, but from my understanding, it doesn't go on looking dark. So we will see. I'll grab this other box. So you know that these boxes are the same exact boxes. They're just different colors on the front. So I told you I was going to be giving away one full box of the advent calendar. So here is the other. Okay. Let's see what I got for number 10. Okay, so that was number 9. I'm gonna go ahead through 12 on this one video. 10. Oh, it's another bronzer, but it looks a little different in color. Let me see. Unless it's blush. I mean, you could use it for whatever you want it to use. Yeah, this looks more like a blush. And then, let me get this other one out so you can see it against it. It looks more like a bronzer. Yeah. So here's the 2 super pretty colors. I'd still, the bronzer ones, I've been using my bronzers as eyeshadows. So, let's see. Put this one in there. Okay, let's pull out the other one for the box. So here's number 10. It's the other one to match the blush. Okay, so that was 9, 10. Let me look for 11. Number 11 is what we're gonna pull out today. Oh, it looks like it's a lip gloss. So for your lips, that's really pretty. See what it looks like when I open it. Yep, it's got the little part that you put on your lips. So awesome. Let me get the one out of the other one so I can, we will be giving that away. So right here. Yep. Ta-da. So that is number 11. Number 12. I just ripped it completely off. Oh well. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow palette. I really like these little traveling, you know, there's like 4 each in them. Let me try and open this. I only want to open one. There it is. So these are just some basic colors. That's what's in there. So this is number 12. And we'll also take out number 12 up here. And once again, there is another one. Okay, so that takes care of 4 days, which brings us to day 12. So tomorrow, I should actually be on day 13 tomorrow, or 14 tomorrow, but I will probably combine the two and then post for you guys. So today, let's see what we got today. We got a great little lippy. We got some eyeshadow. We did get a blush. And then we did get, it looks like a bronzer. And so, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So you see the little bags here. As I have been getting the items out of the advent calendar, I'm putting them in the bag so that when I do my drawing, I will pick one of you guys to win, and you will get an entire bag full of makeup from one of the advent calendars. So I like the advent calendar. It's not bad. It's got really cute eyeshadow colors and a little bit of everything. Sometimes it just doesn't have to be expensive to work and be one of our favorites, right? So there's the other one. So for tomorrow, I will do 13 and 14, which will catch me up to being on the right day. I also need to do, I have a 12-day with lip smackers, like the chapstick and lipstick. So I'm going to pull that one out, and I think I need to go ahead and start that one. I already needed to start that one, so I'm gonna open that one up in a different video. So I'm glad everybody is doing good. I am doing much better. It's a challenge, but you know, what can you do? You just gotta get up and dust yourself off and move on. I'm hoping you guys like these videos. I told you before, I am putting together questions about my blindness or about blind people. It doesn't have to be about me. It could just be a question that you have regarding low vision or technology for the blind, or me being blind and how I do different things, and you know, all that kind of thing. Put your questions below in any of the videos. I'm going back and forth, kind of looking for questions that you guys want to ask me. I think this is going to take my channel in a little bit of a new direction. I'm still going to be doing some boxes and things like that, but I'm also going to start to do some videos on low vision and being blind. So, and I also told you medical history. My God, medical history is so long. But first bone I've ever broke except my nose and my toe. So, not liking it because it's my right hand too, so I can't really get. Ladies, gentlemen, excuse the voice as I told you earlier. I just want to say thank you to my subscribers who always come out there and comment. I am so sorry that I have not been able to comment back at this point. I promise I will get to those, and I will comment on what you have wrote. Just, it's like I said, it's been hard to do that type of thing right now. So I do have a lot of boxes I need to do. So this week I have a FABFITFUN box. My winter box is still here. I have a layered with lace. I have a mintMONGOOSE. What else do I got? I'm gonna look. And a lure. That's what I have. Okay. So I need to get to those. My IPSY and my BOXYCHARM. I haven't seen them yet, so hopefully those will be here this week. Now I did do, okay, I got a Stitch Fix. I did not try it. I did not do a try on, and I did not film. The items in the box were not me. I did not like anything that was in the box. It wasn't worth filming for. So first, I also want to say thank you to David S. I'm gonna put your name, right across here. You signed up for Stitch Fix and got $100 in free money, and so did I. So I really do appreciate that. That helps to keep my channel going. It helps, boxes cost money. So I appreciate it. Thank you very much. And if anybody has any other questions about any of my links, they are below if you want to subscribe to any of those. I do greatly appreciate it. So with that all being said, if you're not a subscriber, click the subscribe button down below, the bell to be notified when I post new videos, and the like button. Every time you click the like button, my video will go out for more people to see. I'm trying to get to 250 subscribers. I have a giveaway for that also. So I have a giveaway for my advent calendar, and then I have a giveaway at 250 subscribers. So help me out, guys. I really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.